Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. I want to do a quick unboxing video of my new cryptocurrency wallet, the Dcent wallet. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I was interested in buying a new hardware wallet. I currently own a Nano Ledger S, and I wanted a new hardware wallet for my Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I came across this wallet, the Dcent wallet, and what made me buy this wallet, right? Not only do it have a fingerprint scanner, but you can hold altcoins like Shiba, Saitama, LUFFY, a bunch of other altcoins that's listed on Uniswap. You can hold different ERC20 tokens on the Dcent wallet. So I like that about this, and I want to open this up on camera with y'all just to show y'all what it looked like. Y'all can see, you know, it's sealed right now, you know, and it's a biometric wallet for Ethereum and more. So we just open this up. Hold on, let's just open this up on camera. See the box, Dcent box. They got these seal stickers. If the seal broke, don't use it, right? Seal is on here tight. All right. And you can see we got a QR code. Hold on, let me make sure it's not gonna show any recovery seeds on camera. So hold on, y'all. Got a Dcent welcome card. And what this is a recovery sheet where you can write down your seed phrase. So y'all gotta always remember y'all seed phrase. Like even when you create a MetaMask or a Coinbase wallet, if you ever was to lose your phone, you need your seed phrase to get back into your funds, to get access back to your funds. So that's what it come with in the box. You can see this, the Dcent component sheet. Got a 1-year warranty. Got all the computer model specifications, and this is the actual wallet. Alright, this is the actual Dcent wallet. Y'all can see. I like it. It's little. It's real small. But you can see how it look. The Dcent wallet. Here you will use your fingerprint. It's like a fingerprint scanner right here. You can stroll through all the different cryptocurrencies, but like I said, this wallet holds Shiba, Saitama, LUFFY, and a bunch of different ERC20 tokens. Right? They have a list of supported tokens that they support, a lot of different tokens that we buy on Uniswap. So I wanted to get me a new wallet, and this is what I got. Looks like it got a USB charger in here too. So it comes with a charger as well. Nice little charger piece. I don't think we got nothing else in here. I don't think we got nothing else in there. That's the Dcent wallet. And yeah, this is how it looks. But it's my new Bitcoin wallet. I'm gonna test it out. See if we can power it on. Okay. Power it on. Got a little. Is that a touch screen? Oh, it's not a touch screen. But yeah. It looked like it's glitching on camera, but it don't glitch. It's like, it's it's stable. It's a static image. It ain't like glitching or nothing like that. But yeah, look like you gotta charge this little mug. So this is the new cryptocurrency wallet. I got it off Amazon. I know people be talking about don't buy cryptocurrency wallets off Amazon. I never had a problem. So as long as you don't give away your seed phrase, you're good. But let me cut this off. It's my new cryptocurrency wallet, y'all. See, oh yeah, you just hold it to power it off. It's lightweight, super lightweight. Some type of plastic. And you probably set up your thumbprint and all of that. So yeah, make sure 2022. You know, I know we invest in a lot of different altcoins, right? But make sure you own Bitcoin and Ethereum. You already know I own 1 Bitcoin and I have 2 Ethereum that I'm never touching. So make sure, because I know a lot of people making money in cryptocurrency. I know a lot of y'all making money in different altcoins. You know, be smart with the money. Trade it for more stable coins and long-term positions. And at least buy 1 Bitcoin or half of a Bitcoin, you know. Whatever you can afford. I feel like right now, with the price of Bitcoin being where it's at, it is a good time to buy. It's a good time to acquire Ethereum too, because both of those coins or cryptocurrencies are way undervalued. So it's your boy Yon World. It's my new cryptocurrency wallet. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.